Let's get started. So in this video, we will cover basic initial setup after creating Microsoft Tenant. So I'm already logged in our tenant using admin control. So it's admin.microsoft.com, and for user, you can use office.com and enter. It's asking us to sign in. Let's sign in using same account. We are logged in using same account without admin privilege. So this one is with admin control and this one is without admin control. For user, this would be the options available that they can access, and according to the subscription plan they can use these different services. More subscription means more application here, and we can navigate through with that. By any chance, if user themselves want to install Office application, they can simply come here and click on install. We can close this. On the right side you will see install and more. So once you click on this, install of Microsoft 365 apps, once you click on this will redirect us to this place where we can install application. We can also manage our MFA related settings from here, manage security and privacy, and we can click on my account portal. From here we can update security info. Under security info we can update our MFA related details, like we want one phone number or authenticator app or any other way of authentication that we want to use. So we can perform it from here, and we can go back. We can also change the password from here or the previous page by clicking here. If you want to update the password, we can update it from here. Let's cancel this. Let's go back and back to the home page. And from here, we can access other applications like OneDrive. By clicking on this, you will see your files here, or you can save it here. We can access other applications like Copilot, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, and many more. So these are the applications that you would have access according to the subscription you are assigned. We can also click here and go to Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other applications. If you have any admin control, then you can click here or on this gear icon. Then we have in lower left corner this gear icon and this profile icon. So from here also you can visit Microsoft 365 profile or view account. You can click on this gear icon for settings for this profile, like change your password, dark mode, light mode, contact preferences, and this will redirect to the same place under my account. And here we have more options that we can perform. These controls depends on organizational policy. By any chance, if there is any organizational policy or global policy for the organization, so in that case there would be a few restriction. However, these controls are for user. Let's go back to admin portal. Here on admin portal, we can scroll this down. We do not have Teams and Intune, so let's try for Teams. If we can get teams.microsoft.com. As of now, we do not have Teams license. Let's see if we can get free trial so that we can cover Teams Admin Center and Intune as well. And a new tab, let's type intune.microsoft.com. So as I'm global admin, I have access to Intune admin portal. And if we go back to Teams, so you do not have the required permission. So we would need Teams license. Let's see if we have any free trial. Under billing, your products, and add more products. free trial. This gives us only 30-day trial, and we would be performing this task sometime later when we would need themes. For now, let's close this and let's go to settings, org settings. So we have already covered domain related task, and this is org settings, which we will be covering later. However, in this video, just to know, this is the place where we can make our changes, and this will replicate to the whole organization. So any changes which we want to make for whole organization, so we can perform it here. And let's go to identity portal. Under identity portal, we'll be covering security defaults, which is quite useful. Under properties, if we scroll this down the bottom, you see your organization is protected by security default. So by any chance, if you want to make changes, we can control it from here, whether disabled or enabled. So in most of the cases, try to enable this. So this will help user to set up Microsoft Authenticator when they first time log in. Let's close this. It's already enabled for this tenant. Back to admin portal. We have already covered user access, admin access, security default, all wide settings. Let's scroll this down. Customize navigation. Here are the navigation that we can control. So by any chance, if you are working on a few tasks which you need on regular basis, you can control it from here. So this will appear here from the left side. There are a few services which is not part of this trial. We will be adding those services as we proceed further with the topic. I will also try to add paid subscription once we have a sufficient subscriber for the channel. So please do not forget to subscribe the channel. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep sharing.